The event, which was tagged Environmental Restoration of Enugwu, kick-started with pickup of waste from Enugwu Civic Center down to Ukwu market of the town and distribution of nose guards, safety boots, cellophane bags and hand gloves, while lauding the operation Keep Enugwu Clean. The Anambra State Deputy Governor, Dr. Nkem Okeke, represented by his Senior Special Assistant on General Duties, Dr. Charles Nwufo, commended Ndi Enugwu for being the first out of all the communities in the state to respond to the clarion call of Governor Willie Obiano in keeping a healthy environment.
I would like to officially launch, through cutting of this tape, the Enugwu Community Development Union Environmental Restoration of Enugwu. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
On his part, the Commissioner for Environment, Architect Mike Okonkwo, who reiterated the utmost importance of keeping the environment clean, equally lauded Governor Obiano for filling up 5 erosion sites in the town.
Put your waste in a bag. We are not mandating that you use any particular bag, but one that's strong enough to hold the waste. You put it in and then you cinch it. That means you tie it, take it to the proper place and place it there. The government will do their part, the communities will do their part, and the individuals will do their part.
In their separate speeches, the President General, Comrade Bonny Ozonkwaku, and former Vice President General of the town, Engineer Mike Dike, noted that the community launched the project to commit themselves towards keeping a clean, green and healthy environment. The event witnessed inauguration of members of Enugwu Community Development Union National Board of Trustees and lecture by Sumtech Program Officer from the Ministry of Information and Public Enlightenment, Mrs. Chineze George Ileka.